Hello and welcome back to the SPRO video channel. Today we're going to be discussing disarming and the 4 most commonly asked questions we get on that subject. First, we're going to be looking at how to set up a disarming schedule. Then we'll be answering whether or not you'll still get notifications when disarming is activated. We'll be looking at sync disarm config with channels and explaining what that means. And finally, how you can disarm the system from within the DMSS app. So, let's get started. How do we set up a disarming schedule? After we've right-clicked and gone to the main menu, we'll click Alarm. Then on the left-hand side, we'll go to Disarming. Then we're going to tick Disarm by period here. If this is grayed out, you will need to disable one-click disarm here first. Then click Settings. Then we can set the disarming schedule by adding or removing these green blocks. It's worth noting that these blocks are green to signify that disarming is activated during these times. So as it looks at the moment, it would be disarmed 24/7. If you wanted it to be just disarmed between 9 and 5 on a Monday, for example, we would just need to click to remove the blocks around the hours of 9 to 5. The other way of setting the hours disarming is on would be to click the icon next to any of the days and enter in 9 to 5 and then allocate that time period to be in effect by clicking the tick box next to the relevant days. But we've still got disarming active all day on Saturday and Sunday, so we'll take these out so the system's armed over the weekend. And as you can see, the system is now disarmed between the hours of 9 and 5 Monday to Friday. And that's how to set up a disarming schedule. Now, on to the next question. Will AI notifications stop during a disarm schedule? So the short answer for this one is no, they won't stop. You will still receive notifications from cameras that are disarmed. When you disarm a camera, it really is the physical features that take place at the camera itself that you're deactivating. In every other way, it will still be operational. It will still be recording and you'll still receive notifications through to your phone. And everything at the recorder end still takes place too. So it's still recording, those recordings are still marked with events. It's just the physical actions of the camera itself that will be disarmed. Finally, we're going to explain this section here. Sync disarm config with channels. When you click Settings, any cameras that you select here will be included in the disarming schedule we set up earlier. If there are specific cameras that you never want to be disarmed, most likely because they're protecting a particularly important area, you'll want to deselect them here to ensure they're always armed. The next commonly asked question is, how do you disarm the cameras from within the DMSS app? Well, you just press the 3 dots next to the system you want to disarm, then Device Details, and you can toggle on what's referred to as Disable Alarm Linkage, and the system is now disarmed. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from us here at SPRO.